This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
So now I'll show you how just your app icon can help you beat your competition. Yep, that's right. So let's check it out. So there are some nuances that we gotta get right, okay? That most of your app, when people are searching, right, it's, title, little bit of description, but reviews, it's all kind of text, but the icon is the most visual thing, and people are visual and they scan that first, okay? So your app icon must stand out. How does it stand out? Well, it's got to be well designed, okay, fine, but it's got to use bright colors. Brights. I like bright red, bright blue, bright orange, things like that, right? Okay, so these things, along with a nicer title, okay, really catchy title that's attractive, they will get you higher click-through rates than your competitors. So let's say your competitor is number 1, you're number 2, but you have a better, more attractive looking app icon and title, you're going to probably get a higher click-through rate. And then what's going to happen? So the Android search engine, they're going to be thinking like, oh, the second app gets more clicks, it seems like a better match for this term. We should naturally, if it's a better match, we should naturally rank it higher and put it number 1. That's what search engines, how they think. It's always like that. The match of search to the highest click-through rate is a really big ranking factor in almost all search engines, whether it's Google search, Amazon search, or App Store search, Google Play App Store search. So that's one way to do it. Now, let me show you a couple of examples. Okay, I'm going to show you my old logo, and I'm going to show you my new logo. And the difference of them increased my downloads by 15%. Initially, right? And because of that 15% increase in downloads, I started to rank better, and then I started to get even more downloads because it compounded. Okay, so let me show you how that worked. So this is my old logo. This, you see this B? It's got pastel colors, right? It's nice. I appreciate the person who made it for me. It was the logo that I launched with when I started, but it was just okay. It was just nice logo. Right? But let me show you, then I had a designer make the logo. Bright orange, a little bit more designer-ish, I don't know how to say it, but and it's orange, right? It's got a block of orange text or a block of orange color on it. It stands out among other apps in the searches. And let me show you also, I have additional logos that are even brighter. You see these? The red ones, they're even brighter and they really stand out. And the difference between this pastel color logo, that used to be my app logo, and these resulted in an overnight almost difference of 15% upwards of increase of downloads. So, and that led to all kinds of additional compounding benefits for me. So that's kind of how I use my logo my app icon to beat my competition, outrank them. And eventually now I'm ranking number 1 for the word business, so I've actually killed all the competition, right? Eventually, but this was one of the building blocks to it.